Yo, what's up everybody? MKV Weddle back at it with another video. We are in Excalibur, Las Vegas. Came for Supras in Vegas. It's day one. Today was gonna be a track day, but I did show up late, so we're not gonna get any footage of that. I did get some videos of other cars and stuff, but I'll throw that up in there. I was there only for like a good hour because I was expecting me to run the track and I didn't end up running the track. My fault, not their fault. Tomorrow's a drag strip day, so it's a lot more exciting for me. That's the point of where pretty much the point where I wanted to run my car for the drag strips and stuff. Track would have been nice, but nah, it's okay. But I'll show you guys the view. Yeah, we're at the Excalibur Resort and Casino. It's a big casino. Finally got to the event. Day 2 of Supras in Vegas. Yo! Show! Let's see how it goes today. Drag strip racing day. Shoot. Yo, what's up everybody? We're over here at Las Vegas Speedway. I just see what clocks in. With all these other Supras to see if I can compete.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's I was gonna tell you that.
Competition. 2JZ. No shit. Okay, there's another Supra on the same wheels setup as me. This one looks stock. Pretty much stock. Has a turbo shield. Yeah, guys. See, might have my cousin record. He'll get a good launch on it, hopefully. Burn them up. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be B58, the world, boy.
Yes, sir. Los amarillos. What the hell? This is crazy. 2JZ swapped to Lexus. Mira todo acá, bro. Pero son los carros más perrones en el mundo, güey, el Supra, neta. Yo no me enfado, güey. Un día voy a tener unos de estos en mi garage. Voy a tener el 5 ya arreglado todo, 1000 caballos de fuerza. Y cuando ando grande me voy a hacer uno de los viejitos, neta. This looks sparkly, boys. If one day speed kills me, don't cry, 'cause I was smiling.
This is by Speed Industry. That shit's huge. That's how. This is the Studio RSR group right here.
We don't know like modify stuff. We just do like. Try to stay away from modifying the parts. Yeah, exactly. You break them.
That shit's nice, man. I need to get this next for my car. ¿Cómo puedo agarrar eso? Es lo que sigue. Mira, güey. Lo que yo gasté en mi port injection, $1000 más y podía agarrar eso. Por pendejo. Es un manifold todo entero porque el que yo tengo es plástico. Se calienta más. Y with that, bro, it's supposed to keep it a lot cooler y todo. Y se mira perro, bro. Y se mira perro. This is Supra MK5. This shit's sick. I seen it yesterday at the racetrack. Yes, it tiene un wide body kill it. This one's ancho, bro.
When I was running
The inventory.
tablet, you can actually connect it.
Maybe like a pure 800.
Through a USB.
Studio RSR.
Oh yeah. So the only cars
Pararon todas las carreras, güey, yo creo. Porque alguien chocó. What you working on, brother?
Changing out the wheels.
Wheels?
Getting it ready for the track.
There you go. Where's she clocking in? A quarter mile?
Stock block, she was running 90.
Yeah, my dude is over here prepping for the races. Got the precision, EOS, manifold, and yeah. Fishing about. Oh, estos son the 2 manual Supras. That's sick. Yeah, esto se, mira, they fixed the interior and hicieron un nuevo color. Sir. Alright, let's get going. We're a little late, but we're still gonna make it and cruise with all the Supras. Let's go. Put my seatbelt on, safety first, you know the rules. Put my wallet back over here. Let's check the directions real quick, cause I'm lost. It's a speed industry. I think I'm barely gonna make it in time. Yeah, speed industry, right on freaking time. Alright, let's get going, boys. Keep you guys updated on the road. Gotta let the camera go because, you know, safety first. Yes, sir. Finally arrived at the meet. Ton of Supras out here. You got a wide body. You got a M4 wrapped. And then, where's my buddy? This is my buddy right here, Blueprint. You got it. The tuna no crust.
questions? Remember, the roads are slick.
I detail garage. Ooh, you got some Workmeisters on this baby. This one's clean. It's hard to always get a good spec. It's very tough. You got the wide body right here. Slam to the floor. believe this one's 2J swap. It's so clean. Sheesh.
I'm about to get my custom plate eventually.
That's next?
Yeah.
It looks custom to me.
Yeah, but
Hey, who makes the diffuser?
APR.
APR. That's sick, bro. And the wing?
Get rid of it just because I saw the guy that has the OEM one. What is this one's carbon fiber?
Yeah, yeah.
So right there is something I scraped on the way up. My fucking,
The bottom of it?
yeah. So I have to literally air out max.
That shit's sick. And the same hood as mine.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's go, ready for the cruise. Nice. I like.
Are we rolling out right now?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today's the final day of the YouTube video. Just letting you guys know the event was over. I didn't win any awards or anything because I showed up late and stuff. So, but I had a good time. Let's see when we come back for round 2 pretty soon.